Okay. Sir, just moving on to other issues. What was the president's reaction to his daughter's statement yesterday where she said the PDP Laban is in disarray. She even said it's nothing but a sitcom, and it doesn't sound like she's keen to support the party in the 2022 elections. Is that what made the president feel that it's clear now for him that he should run for VP? What was his reaction?
You're correct. I think among others, the statement was the basis for the president to conclude that things are clear now, that he can run for vice president because I think his perception is that Mayor Sara Duterte will not run for elections.
Is that his conclusion, that Mayor Sara is not running?
Well,
or is it something he got from Mayor
because,
Sara?
you know, the president's stand remains. Delicadeza dictates that only one Duterte will run. So, since only one Duterte will run, and in his perception, the Mayor Sara will not run, then he can run for vice president. But, alam nyo, nothing is final, no, until October. And meanwhile, this is a family matter, no. So, I would hope that the rest of the nation give the father and the daughter breathing space to discuss and agree on future course of action.